Stand by now. Gates open. They're up and racing for the Pilracom Marho Cup 2-year-old juvenile fillies. We have Jahan running at the center and moving up by the rail to take the lead is Cats Diamond, now being joined by Amazing Mix, Cheese Blanca, then in between runners is Storm Blast, etc. And Jahan trailing the group is Never Say Goodbye as they round at a 3/4 mile pole. Now we have Amazing Mix, takes command, is Storm Blast moving a party outside, etc. Joining them by the rail is entry number 1, and that's Cats Diamond dropping back in fourth. Jahan also closing in, Cheese Blanca and Never Say Goodbye as they race at a half-mile pole. Not too much gap from each other with Amazing Mix still in front. Jahan in between runners is Storm Blast, etc. Cheese Blanca, Never Say Goodbye, and trailing the group now is Cats Diamond as they race at the last 450. Amazing Mix, Jahan moving a party outside, etc. Never Say Goodbye in between runners, Cheese Blanca as they turn for home. Amazing Mix, Jahan, Cheese Blanca is running by the rail and down the stretch and leading the finish line. Amazing Mix still leading the field. Cheese Blanca, Never Say Goodbye, Jahan, and with 150 to go, Amazing Mix this time by about 2 lengths, and with 50 meters, Jackie Jesse Basilio Guse doing it for Amazing Mix. Second is Cats Diamond, then comes 7, Never Say Goodbye, Cheese Blanca, etc.
2-year-old juvenile fillies. Amazing Mix was able to hang on to dear life, had the lead from the start, and went on to win this race by about 2 lengths. And before anything else, we are honored this afternoon by our Philracom officials, headed of course by Chairman Angel Castaño Jr. Let's give it up for Chairman June Castaño, and with him are his fellow commissioners, Commissioner Jess Cantos, Commissioner Lyndon Guze, and of course Doc Romy Bencamino. And from the Marho, Director Butch Mamon, Director Vic Gobon, and of course Racing Manager Dan Valmonte. And flanking this honorable gentleman, Miss Samantha Di Malanta, Miss Alessandra Carlos, Miss Sara Antonio, and Miss Catherine Bautista. And of course, the proud owner of Amazing Mix, kalahating milyon. Owner and trainer, let's give it up for Congressman Jesse Bong Lapus. Sabi ni Kong Jesse kanina, aba, pagdating ng rekta, teka, nanalo na yata. At true enough, nanalo na nga itong si Amazing Mix. Napakagandang trofeo galing yan sa Philracom and Marho. Congratulations, Con Jesse. And siya rin ang trainer niyan, syempre. Congressman Jesse Bong Lapus. At syempre yung sumakay to that wonderful victory by Amazing Mix, walang iba kundi si Jackie Jesse B. Guse. Let's give it up for Jackie J. B. Guse. Dehado pa si Amazing Mix dito sa ating Juvenile Fillies Championship. Philracom sponsored Marho. $500,000 going to the winner, Kong Jesse Bong Lapus. Once again, our congratulations to the connections of Amazing Mix and the trainer. It's Congressman Jesse Bong Lapus will receive his trophy as trainer, of course. Akala ko nabigay na eh. Sinabay na. And he'll be receiving that one from Chairman June Castaño. Congratulations, Con Jesse. Meron pa tayong Breeders' Trophy. All right, we understand that Amazing Migs is bred by Mr. Wilbert Tan. Any representative from the connection? Okay, Congressman Jesse Bong Lapas will receive the Breeders' Trophy. Congratulations. Wilbert Tan is a breeder of Amazing Migs. Alright, susunod na po yung simula ng ating second winner take all, the Shara Marie Foundation Maro Swift 16 Trophy Race. Watch out for that one coming up.